Hello everybody, welcome to MTX. Today we're going to be going over the 2024 Aluma. It's a tandem axle equipment trailer made completely from aluminum. Its floor width is 82 inches and its floor length is 248 inches. Its GVWR is 14,000 pounds and its payload capacity is 11,490 pounds too. Aluma is known for making quality trailers built fully aluminum.
It's operated on a 2 5/16 inch Demco Easy Latch coupler, the best coupler in the market.
You have your battery right there, and behind that's a 10K manual jack. You got the tongue and you got the rail right in front of it. It has 6 D-rings, has stake pockets on both sides, and it is very long. Like I said before, it's tandem axles. You got the fenders right there. As you can see here, this is an amazing trailer with the rails right there. As you can see, you got the LED lights on the bottom. All in all, this is an amazing trailer at an amazing price point.
Since day one, we've been focused on doing things the right way. Honest deals and real support after the sale. With a 4.9 average Google rating, a massive selection of dump trailers,
And upfront pricing.
it's easy to see why customers keep coming back. And with a full parts and service department, we're here for you long after you leave the lot, delivering the best customer experience in the game.
If you want to learn more about this trailer and if you want to make a purchase, please visit our website down below at www.mtxtrailer.com, or you can call the number down below. You can text or call us. Again, we're located in Glen Allen, Virginia. Thank you guys so much for watching. We can't wait to see you on the lot.
Hey everybody, and don't forget, when you purchase a trailer at MTX, you can load up and save up to 15% on all parts and accessories when you purchase your trailer. Come see us soon.